This here is my old 4-note musical doorbell. Missing its cover. Yeah. Unfortunately, though, it doesn't work. As you can clearly see, that volume knob is all screwed up. It also looks like it... Oh, it looks like it burnt. Huh. Well, nonetheless, though, as you can see, plungers, chimes. It does have a motor on it, so it does play a little tune. Now, the motor does run, but nothing happens when I plug it in. Yeah. Too sure. Yeah. No plungers action, not even on the side door terminals and rear door terminal. By the way, the T is for transformer and the F is for the front. But yeah, that volume knob may be the problem. I'm not too sure. It's all messed up. But anyhow, as I was saying, I don't know what this one's manufacturer is. Has no cover, but here's how it sounds. Or I don't know what tune it plays, but it may just play that tune. Synchronization.